Welcome to my YouTube channel. So yesterday I made Philippine chorizo sweet style. So today I'm going to make vegan style. So these are ingredients. This all the minced pork and all the garlic, and this all the vinegars, and this all the salt, and this all pepper, and this all soy sauce. So you start. So same yesterday, but never mind because I already washed my hand, so no need to use gloves, and this is I'm going to make already. And we're going to make together. So it's ready done, time to wrap it. So this is the last one, guys. So this is my fish product. Look. So guys, the Philippine chorizo is ready cooked. So I'm going to try it. Yummy! YC Panyaw Joykin. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I love you guys, and bye-bye!